What's up again, people? It's the Pip Magnet back in with another video. In this video, I'm just going to be giving you a short tutorial on how to actually open an account in Deriv.com. So yeah, for those who are asking and those who don't know, so basically it's really simple. So what you want to do, you want to type in Deriv.com right there, or you can click the link in the description down below. It'll make it easier for you. It's going to take you straight to the page, but either way, let's continue. So you enter right there. So what you want to do is, you can see there's a button there that says open a demo account, and then there's a button that says login. So for those already logged in like me, we can log in, but then where it says open demo account, that's where you want to click. So when you click, it's going to take you to a page like this. Already showing our email there, but anyway, it's not complete, but yeah, that doesn't matter. But anyway, you then come to this over here, and then you fill in your details. You fill in your email address, and you must click agree to terms and condition. Then you click create demo account. So the moment you click create demo account, it's gonna send you a notification in your email. So it's gonna send you a notification in your email where you are going to have to then click that notification to verify your account. So just follow all the prompts until you reach to a point where it says verify. So you're going to have to click to verify your account. Then when you're done clicking to verify your account, it's going to bring you to this page right here after you've verified your email, and then it's going to actually ask you, so I'm already logged in, that's why it's actually not showing those prompts, but it's going to ask you which country are you in, and then when it asks you that question, you're going to have to fill in your country of residence. And with that, when you press accept, that's when the account is going to open, and voila, officially you have a Deriv demo account. It's going to look just like this. This is exactly how it's going to look. And then yeah, it also gives you option of like a list of 4 options, where if you're not sure which exact account you want to start trading, there's going to be an option at the bottom below where it says not sure. You can click that one, and then it's automatically going to open one for you. But yeah, and then this is how you open a Deriv demo account. And then if you want to open a real account, all you just do is you come to this top corner right here, you click it, and then you see there it's got an option for a real account. So yeah, I'm not going to show that because that's my actual real account, and there's my actual monies in there, so I can't show that part. But anyway, you just click there. When you click there, it's going to show you the first option there where it says add. There's going to be a button written add, and it's going to write Deriv account here on this side. So then you quickly click the add button, and then you quickly click the add button. It's going to ask you what currency do you want to use. You're going to write the currency you want to use, and the same steps you use on the demo for the currency, that's exactly what you do on the real. And then once you press accept, it's going to open your account. And then simple, if you want to fund the account, it's really easy. What you just do, then you just, whilst you're on real, like how we're on demo, whilst you're on real, it's going to show the exact same thing. All you're just going to do is you're just going to go there to deposit, and once you press deposit, it's going to take you to the cashier. So as you can see right now, because on a demo account, it's not going to show anything for depositing, but once you go on a real account, it will show you then deposit. It's going to give you different kinds of options of different kinds of monies that you different kind of things. Actually, let me quickly withdraw all my funds from my real account so I can actually show you guys, so you can have a better view. Be back in the field.
One eternity later.
And we're back. So now I've withdrawn everything from my real account. So what we're going to do now, we're going to quickly just come back to the cashier right here. There we go. So this is what it's going to show you. So right here, it's going to show you the different deposit options you have. And the same thing when you want to withdraw, like if you've made profit, you just come back here to the cashier and you go to withdraw. Then it's going to show you, okay, at the moment, because I removed all my funds, it's saying you have no funds, but it's actually going to show you options where you can withdraw your money. And same thing with transfer. If you have more than one account, you can come right here, then you can transfer. So at this moment, I only have one account here. So as you can see, it's not telling me, giving me an option to transfer. But if you have 2 or more accounts, you can actually transfer money amongst your accounts. So yeah, this is exactly how you do it. There's your deposit option. You come here, you deposit, you choose whatever you want to deposit with, cryptocurrency, bank deposit, end of the deposit. And guys, as simple as that, you have it. Here's your real account and your demo account. And without further ado, peace.